All right. This is Jay from Life RX Wellness. Let me put this in the back so you can see it. So, if you're a massage therapist, graduate from the school, or you have some main error in your business and you're not growing, you have a lot of questions. Usually, I go to those massage group, and they ask insane questions over and over again. It's how to grow the business, how to get that client base, and it's very simple, yeah, because I know it now. But before, after I graduated, I didn't know what to do. And guess what? In 2006, when I graduated, 2006, it wasn't back there. It wasn't like internet wasn't that great as right now. It wasn't AI. It wasn't a lot of CRM, which is the data collection platform. This is what you need today. We going to talk about this triple R tool. If you are a member, you're going to watch that full video. If you're not, I would say, I will just have you say you triple R. It's a rebook, review, referral. This is what you need to learn in your practice and know how to use this tool. If you're not our member, sign up and watch that full video and learn how to grow fast and smart. $5.99 a month, I think it's a small price to pay for know and get that knowledge. If you're a member, let's go forward.